Hello everybody, Colton Tackett on Sonic on OKKO for Next 120 here again with another DVD opening. We're going to be bringing you the DVD opening to I Want a Dog for Christmas Charlie Brown 2004 DVD. Now, this is I got a new copy of that DVD because my old copy that I tested for some reason, it only goes well through the previews. It just goes well up until the main menu. Like, it won't get to the main menu at all on the old copy, but since I got a new copy, I think it'll do just fine. So, let's just get to the DVD opening and see what we get. Here we go. And here's the Paramount DVD logo. And here's the previews.
Coming to DVD and VHS, a children's classic becomes a breathtaking new animated musical adventure to share with your little ones. Candyland. There is a magical place every child knows. A beautiful candy landscape with sugar sparkle surprises around every turn. So enjoy a sweet adventure with Mr. Mint, Jim, Princess Lolly, Grandma Nut, King Candy, Princess Frostine, and all your Candyland friends as they discover the sweetest place in all of childhood. Debuting exclusively on DVD and VHS with 4 original songs. Join us for a sweet adventure. Candyland, coming to DVD and VHS spring 2005.
Fun fact, that already came out.
Wobbling to DVD and VHS from Hasbro and Paramount Home Entertainment. Fun never stands still when Weevils are around.
That's right!
And now, for the first time ever, Weevils are coming to DVD and VHS in a series of all-new wobbly singing and dancing adventures.
Weevils on the move, dancing in the groove. Weevils spinning round, can't keep those Weevils down. Bumpus, Pendleton, and Susie Q. Them beat Tippy Diddy and Dewey too.
So come on over to Weebleville and join in on the fun.
Weevils wobble, but they don't fall down.
Weevils wobble, but they don't fall down. Coming to DVD and VHS spring 2005.
Also, that already came out.
Available now, the Tonka Tough Truck Movie. Danger, danger, we have a 12-hour fire. Lit a trap. When danger strikes and you need big help in a big way, Team Tonka's on the job to save the day. Tonka Joe and his team of tough trucks are built to tackle any problem, anywhere, anytime. Big or small, this team of tough trucks does it all. So if you love big trucks, big action, and big adventure, buckle up and hold on, because we've got some big work to do. Let's go! Tonka's Tough Truck Adventure. Available now only on DVD and VHS. What's the best thing about Peanuts videos?
They're funny. It's just so good. And great. Those are my favorite. Me too. I like Charlie Brown best.
Now there's even more to love, because for the first time ever, 2 new Peanuts classics are coming to DVD and video. A Charlie Brown Valentine.
Never play a protest with my Valentine.
That is from Being My Valentine, Charlie Brown.
And Lucy Must Be Traded, Charlie Brown.
The only way to play baseball right is to use 2 hands.
This is the perfect time to share all your favorite memories with all these fun-filled classics on DVD and video, like It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown.
I believe in the Great Pumpkin. There he is! It's the Great Pumpkin!
Be My Valentine, Charlie Brown.
I think it's from the little red-haired girl.
That letter is from...
That's from a Charlie Brown Valentine.
I do?
It's the Easter Beagle, Charlie Brown.
There is an Easter Beagle.
A Charlie Brown Thanksgiving.
Peanuts videos are
A Charlie Brown Christmas.
I've been kissed by a dog. Good grief.
Plus, each DVD comes with bonus episodes for your family to enjoy again and again.
Maybe this is the start of a trend.
Don't miss it. You can take all the Peanuts gang home today.
Okay, let's get this show on the road.
And that's where the preview cuts off. Anyway, here's the Charlotte's Web 2 trailer.
Everybody, come see! One of the most beloved stories of our time is an animated film classic cherished by young and old.
That's some pig. He's terrific.
E.B. White's Charlotte's Web. Now, after more than 30 years, the legacy continues for a whole new generation. Paramount Home Entertainment and Universal Home Entertainment Productions present Charlotte's Web 2, Wilbur's Great Adventure, exclusively on DVD and video. Join Wilbur and his new best friends, Cardigan the Lamb, and Charlotte's 3 daughters, Nellie, Joy, and Urania. And celebrate the return of some old favorites, Fern, Farmer Zuckerman, Templeton the Rat, and Clem the Goose. Take a look at what all the excitement is about in this exclusive sneak peek.
This will be taken out of the recording right now because I do not want to sing. I need to rest my voice, so I'll be right back after this part of the song's passed. Okay, I think we're back now.
Here, I'll show you. This fun, all-new feature-length adventure brings them all together in a classic tale of friendship, caring, and what it means to be different. Beautifully animated by Nickelodeon Studios and featuring 4 new songs. This tale continues and is more dazzling than ever. All the heart, wisdom, and enchantment of the original Charlotte's Web return in Charlotte's Web 2, Wilbur's Great Adventure. A must-have in every child's video library. A new classic is being spun exclusively on DVD and video. Available now.
Be a friend. We'll be buddies to the end. Most of all, I'll be a friend to you.
We still got one more preview left. Here comes the last
Nick
preview.
Jr. is proud to introduce Nick Jr. Baby's Curious Buddies, a new line
Oh,
of
God.
humorous DVDs and videos, available now just for you and your baby. Here's a sneak peek.
If you're happy,
I think this is the first DVD opening to show the preview of Curious Buddies. I mean, I don't really hate Curious Buddies, but if you hate them, I respect your opinion. Let's just get off the preview already. I'm not gonna sing, but whatever. I need to rest my voice anyway.
if you're happy and you know it, give a kiss. If you're happy and you know it, give a laugh. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a hug. If you're happy and you know it, do a dance. If you're happy and you know it, do a dance. If you're happy and you know it, you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, give a smile. If you're happy and you know it, give a smile. If you're happy and you know it, give a smile. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a smile. Oh, you sweetheart. Give me a kiss.
Available now on DVD and VHS. To learn more, visit nickjr.com/baby.
And that's all the previews on this DVD. Now, I just want to let you guys know that the Tonka Tough Truck Adventures trailer did not show up on the VHS opening of this video, but anyway, here's the DVD menu. Can't believe we finally made it there. Anyway, that's about it for the DVD opening to I Want a Dog for Christmas Charlie Brown 2004 DVD. Now, I'm gonna go now because I still need to rest more of my voice, but you know, I gotta go now. See you guys in the next video. It's Colton Tackett on Sonic and OKKO for next film 20 signing off. Peace out.